Purchasing a new garage door for your home is not an everyday experience. Maybe it's a decision forced on you by the deterioration of your existing door. Or maybe you're looking to invest in a remote-controlled automated door to add value, security, safety and convenience to your home living. Here are 5 essential tips to help you on your way. Firstly, how to find a reputable garage door manufacturer. Rather like when buying a car or any other consumer durable item, it helps to know a little about the market before you shop. There are many manufacturers, but which one to choose? The most reputable are members of the Door and Hardware Federation. Ask your local stockist to explain the options available to you. They can provide expert advice and help you take a closer look and see the various garage door types in action. These fall into several main categories, including one-piece up and over doors, overhead sectional doors, side sectional doors, and roller doors. The ideal door for your home will depend on your own preferences in terms of appearance, function, and budget, as well as the dimensions and construction of your garage and the space available in and around it. Some doors can be provided with only manual operation. However, while you're making a change, why not consider the advantages of a remote-controlled automated door? This could provide you with many benefits. For instance, in the winter when it's cold and wet outside, when you want the security of getting straight from the car into your home, and when you want to make an investment that adds value and prestige to your property. Let's take a closer look at these 4 types of garage doors. The traditional one-piece up and over doors are still the most common type installed. But did you know they now come in many attractive styles, constructed from either polyester-coated steel panels or from real wood panels. They can be supplied with a strong painted steel outer frame that won't rot or warp like a timber frame. They can be supplied with unique built-in automation that opens and closes the door, as well as stopping if it encounters an obstruction. And most importantly, they can provide added security to protect your home and your property from unwanted intruders by automatically engaging strong, solid steel locking rods into robust steel keeps. A growing number of homeowners are now investing in insulated overhead sectional doors. These are constructed from individual panels. The panels are made from CFC-free insulated steel sandwich panels of either 20mm or 45mm thick, or even from solid wood sections. The advantages of this type of door are parking right up to the garage, increased height for higher vehicles, insulation and edge seals that can prevent heat loss, save energy and reduce your carbon footprint, attractive designs and factory-applied colours and finishes that enhance the beauty of a variety of house styles. Numerous safety features included with anti-finger trapping as standard. And built-in automation with remote-controlled operation. Last but not least is a type of garage door that is rapidly gaining in popularity: the NovoRoll automated roller door. NovoRoll allows parking right up to the door. It's constructed from slim, elegant, insulated aluminium profiles. It's available in many beautiful finishes, including attractive wood grain options. It's supplied with remote-controlled operation and provides smooth operation of the door curtain on sliding PivoGlide end plates, which reduce noise, wear and scuffing of the door curtain. The NovoRoll always comes complete with essential safety features to comply with the most stringent European standards, including a unique control system and infrared opto sensor safety edge that will auto-reverse if an obstruction is encountered. An emergency safety brake is supplied as standard to prevent the door unrolling unexpectedly. The NovoShield cover finishes the door nicely, protecting the door curtain and preventing accidental finger entrapment. Choosing the right door from the right company will give you added safety, security and convenience for many years.